Welcome home to 5710 Cabbage Spring Road in Mount Airy, Maryland. We have an open house here every day. We just need 2 hours notice to get the home ready. Go to www.5710cabagespring.com and schedule your private open house tour today. If you're looking for privacy and seclusion, this is the home that you're looking for. This amazing 7,700 square foot home is located on 6+ acres of woods and fields. Surrounded by pastures and horse farms, this home will give you the seclusion that you're looking for. Let's start with a 2-story foyer as you enter the home. It's bright and open, and you're greeted by this stunning stonework for the 3-story fireplace and the breezeway that connects the master bedroom with the upstairs bedrooms. To your left is a huge game room that includes a wet bar and space for a full-size pool table and various card tables. The game room opens to a wraparound deck that covers the back of the home. It's a perfect place to entertain and host family and friends. The 3-story living room with the massive stone fireplace will just take your breath away. There are durable hardwood floors and plenty of windows and doors. The windows and doors will give you an amazing panoramic view and tons of light. The wall of doors in the living room all open up to the wraparound deck and the stunning views. This home has a wide open floor plan, and yet it's very energy efficient and has amazing cost savings. The living room connects to the breakfast area or the sitting area, and it looks over the kitchen. The kitchen has top-of-the-line granite countertops, durable tile flooring, stainless steel appliances, a walk-in pantry, as well as plenty of cabinet space and counter space. There are 2 deep double sinks with garbage disposals, a gas cooktop stove, and double oven wall units. It's truly a gourmet kitchen that will make even your pickiest cooks happy. There is a large separate dining room that is beautifully appointed with tile floors and window treatments. There's also a large laundry room on this level and a separate mud room, and they all connect to the oversized 3-car garage. There are 2 stairways that lead up to the second level. The main staircase is off the foyer, and there's the hall back staircase. Upstairs there are 4 oversized bedrooms, each positioned to have amazing views. There is potential to have a second master suite or an in-law suite. There are 2 full bathrooms, an office, and an open sitting area that overlooks the kitchen and the breakfast area. There's a breezeway that connects the master bedroom to the rest of the bedrooms. The private master suite is located at the opposite end of this home. The master suite offers a vaulted ceiling, new carpeting, second level deck, and a bonus space or a sitting area. The master bathroom has double sinks, granite countertop, a whirlpool jacuzzi bath, a large separate shower, and a new separate water closet. The master suite is a beautiful space with stunning panoramic views. The basement is a blank slate for you to create and design how you want. Plus there's room for a personal wine cellar, a safe, a man cave, or your own entertainment movie theater. There's a full walk-up attic off the bonus room that provides extra storage or space. The sale of this home includes a second private right-of-way driveway for future use or private road. This offers 2 entry points to this amazing home. This spectacular and stunning house is just waiting for you to call it home. Go to www.5710cabagespring.com to set up your private custom tour of this home. We just need 2 hours notice to get the house ready for you. www.5710cabagespring.com. Stop on by.